Hi, I'm Allie Dosdell with We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm excited to share some tips, tricks, and project ideas with you today using the new Happy Jig. This awesome new tool comes in a kit with all the pegs, wire cutters, and everything you need to create dozens of different projects. It also has an instruction booklet that shows you different designs and exactly how to make them. We also have an Instagram account dedicated just to this tool, and the handle is @WeAreHappyJig. So I want to share some project ideas with you. Obviously you can add this to cards and scrapbook pages. You can add it to planners for embellishing or as a bookmark or planner clip. You can make jewelry. We've got a necklace here. We've got an earring. You can also add them to your journals and notebooks, to your cards. We've also got really fun baker's twine wire that you can use in several different colors. And you want to remember when you use that to tape the ends with some clear Scotch tape so that it doesn't come unraveled. Now we're going to make an earring with the palm leaf. So I've already gone ahead and cut my wire to 16 inches, and I'm ready to make my shape now. Once you've finished making your shape, you can just pull that right off, kind of flatten it down, and then you're going to use this tail here to insert in the jump ring on your earring hook. And just bend it over, and you can just cut off the excess. And you've got yourself a darling set of earrings that are palm leaves for summer. Thanks for joining me. I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers.